How to reset Ally Bank login password. Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to reset your Ally Bank's login password. For that, you're going to have to first head over to your web browser and search for ally.com or go to Ally Bank login. Tap on the first link that you see here. You will land on the official site of Ally Bank where you will find the login button at the top right corner of your screen. Just tap on it and you'll be taken directly to the login page. Now, if you have somehow forgotten your password or user ID, you can just click on either of these down below where it says forgot username or password. Let's say if I want to recover my password, I can just tap on this link. It's going to ask you some personal details to verify that it is you, so you're going to have to provide those. So the first thing you are going to do is provide your last name as well as username. Tap on continue. You might also have to provide your social security number or your tax ID number based on the requirement. And once that is done, you'll be taken to the next page to create a new password. Make sure you create a strong password using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. And you can use that new password to simply log into your Ally Online Bank. That is it, guys. If this guide was helpful to you, make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.